This is the world's first nuclear-powered stealth fighter jet, ever made by the United States under the name TR3B Black Manta. The aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin is estimated to have 68,000 horsepower and can fly continuously without landing for 15 years. All this can happen because the fuel used is nuclear power, by combining electromagnetic forces, can reach a high enough altitude, without being seen from radar. This can be done because the outer layer of the aircraft uses a color-reactive material, which has radar reflectance and absorption, making it a very reliable spy. With a very light weight, it is not surprising that this aircraft is called an anti-gravity plane. Yes, even though it is only an estimate, it turns out that this plane is one of the United States' secret projects whose complete details are not published. Even though it is called a very secret project, it turns out that some people have seen the original form of the plane and are often mistaken for a UFO maneuvering. Researchers say it is possible that this plane was secretly produced in Area 51 in Nevada, which is known to be a secret area of the United States.